He took off? Here's your bike.
Oh,
What's left of it?
that's so crazy. Thank you. I don't.
Well, it was in the middle of PCH right now.
Thank you so much. Here, I'll get it off the road. Thank you.
Yeah. All right, we're emerging the PCH. See what happened? Yeah. I just passed by and heard timing.
Gospel business, John.
That's crazy.
Best
I
of
gotta
luck.
make it one other
I know, I'm
bike.
like, I don't know what to do with it. It's a rental
This
bike.
first started out.
Oh, it's a rental?
It was a small accident
It was
up
small.
here.
It was a little thing on the back.
Yep.
And then he just decided to hit it again and keep
So what
going.
was that? Was that like a, you were saying a maintenance job?
It was a whole porta potty.
It was huge.
Yeah, it was like a porta potty.
And it just tapped the back of it. And then he was like, I'm not dealing with this.
Literally like two little dots on the back of his car.
I didn't even notice.
And then he rammed the side of it.
So this guy must have been drunk, right?
Yeah, it was carrying porta potties.
Can you send me that?
It's all.
Oh, okay, that's so crazy.
Oh, just go to work. Got you. Crazy.
So wait, so what's the
Bike up and it-
When they crashed,
Yeah, I got annoyed with the bike on the bottle. I got
I was pulling into the intersection, so I dropped the bike and ran. And then, because I didn't know if the cars were gonna like fling somewhere. And then I realized that like they kept driving, so then I went back for the bike. But as I was going back for the bike, my friend was like, "Lauren!" And the car was like turned, and I like jumped out the way for a second time.
Because all I see is like
They both ran?
Well, yeah. I mean, I think first the guy with the porta potty truck, he just carried his truck, and then he kept driving and ran over her bike, and then eventually the white guy, the car in the white truck, chased after the guy.
Oh, so he chased after
Yeah.
it.
Police department, not
But then the cops maybe were trying.
Yeah, I just heard the cops go that way.
what was the car? Where's the car?
There was a little
They both drove that.
Oh, you followed the truck?
He was chasing. The truck first drove away, and then the guy in the other chased after him.
So the truck hit the car,
Yeah.
decided not to
Just
stop,
blasted it, and then
blasted him,
drove
and
over
then
her bike.
drove over.
Right
Got it.
Yeah.
Because I can see this whole thing on my, like I see this whole back curve on the camera.
That's the least they're gonna need that.
And I'm like, I thought, because I can take this.
Did they get him?
I think they're still after him. They said that he went to a different city.
Oh, if he crossed there, he entered in Palisades.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he was part of the event right here this morning.
They said it was a stolen. Someone stole it. That the worker left the keys in the car,
And it was stolen?
and someone stole it. Yeah, thank you for retrieving the bike.
Oh yeah, well I wanted to find out if he went down there.
Thank you. That was you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Wow.
Yeah.
Sorry, it was a bit of blur.
That was crazy.
Oh, I know. Once he crosses the end of the bluffs, he's in LA City.
I
Oh
see.
gosh. Well, you know, yeah. I mean, LAPD had their chopper overhead, so I'm sure they just had those in the.
What happens is they're coming and almost get hit, so she jumps off her bike, drops it. She thinks she's okay, goes back to get it, runs over, so she lets go. Runs right over.
I was wondering what happened to that bike.
No, actually, it got dragged all the way to PCH. I brought it back up.
Oh, you're the one who brought it up?
Yeah, it was
Very
left
nice.
all the way on PCH where it merges, right in traffic. The truck took off, so
Yeah.
at least I brought the bike back
Good
up.
thing you didn't.
Yeah, good thing you didn't try to chase it.
He's in like, yeah, he's far, far away.
He's already in Palisades now or something?
No,
He's way up there.
We're gonna get him. I am gonna go drive and grab that. I'm gonna make sure there's nothing evidence here on that bumper. Oh, right. That's part of the car too.
Got it. Okay.
Thank you.
Yep.
What was the story? It was stolen?
Yep.
I just passed that guy.
Yeah. I'm glad he didn't hit you.
Yeah.